If you're looking for colorful lighting that is flexible and allowing you to customize it as you desire, then consider picking up this Govee neon rope lights. Today we're unboxing and reviewing this product to see if this is something that you may be interested in picking up. In the interest of full disclosure, this product was sent to me free of charge by Govee. However, all the opinions you're about to hear are my own, nor has anyone reviewed or approved what you're about to see before it was uploaded. As you can see, this product is nicely rolled up and you have the mounts that you can easily drill onto your wall or anywhere else, along with some screws and some anchors to ensure secure fit so nothing moves around, along with some alcohol prep pads in case you needed to wipe anything down to make sure this product stays firm and secure. What I like about this product is that you can easily use voice control. You can access it via your Google or your Alexa, and the fact that there are over 16 million color combinations that you can choose from, as well as 64 preset scene modes and 11 music modes. So this works relatively great when it comes to any sort of music that you're having in your home. And the fact that you can see here, it is quite colorful. What I love about it is that your imagination can run wild, and I'm actually just thinking about what I want to be able to create because it is super flexible and you can create multiple shapes and colors, really just adding additional ambiance to your home or to your decor and having something that is really unique to you. The thing I like about it is the fact that the colors are very soft, so they're not super bright, and the fact that you can also dim it if you wanted to make it a little bit darker or lighter. And as you can tell, I'm playing around with the way this is shaped to just take a look at and pre-design how I want to be able to mount this either on my wall or anywhere else. If you're looking to create your own design at home and want to have that flexibility, then consider picking up this product. Hope this was helpful in making your purchasing decision.